students, today I will be taking your English grammar class of class 2. Okay, and today I will take your chapter number 20. Chapter number 20, that is are am with ing form of the doing word. Is are am with ing form of the doing word. So I have make you understand the chapter, and today I will do the exercises. Okay, so all of you have understood the chapter, isn't it? Now let's do the exercises. So all of you open page number 52 of your grammar book. Page number 52 of your grammar book, and let's do the exercises. In B part, you can see fill in the blanks with is, are, am and the ing form of the suitable doing word. Take doing word from those given at the end. Okay, we can see at the end of the page 53, we can see there is a box and there is some doing words written there. There are some options. So we will write, take the correct doing word, and we will write is, are or am, whatever will be placed with it. Okay, so let's do this. Number 1, the monkey dash dash up the tree. So in the first dash it will be the monkey is, isn't it? The monkey is dash up the tree. It will be climbing. We can also see in the picture, isn't it? We can also see in the picture. The monkey is climbing up the tree. Number 2, Vicky is happy. He dash dash. Vicky is happy, so it will take is. He is, we can see in the picture, what we can see? He is smiling, isn't it? So it will be Vicky is happy, he is smiling. Number 3, Pooja dash dash the piano. So Pooja, it will take is again. Pooja is, and what we can see in the picture is playing. Pooja is playing the piano, isn't it? Pooja is playing the piano. Number 4, Tina, what are you doing? Amit, I dash dash my pencil. So what we can see in the picture, that I always takes am, isn't it? I am. It will be sharpening, isn't it? Sharpening. We can see in the picture. Sharpening, isn't it? I am sharpening my pencil. Number 5, stars dash dash in the sky. Stars, so it will take are, isn't it? Stars, what? You can see in the picture, stars are twinkling, isn't it? Stars are twinkling, isn't it? Okay, number 6, it is Sachin's birthday. His parents dash dash his room. His parents, so it will be are, isn't it? It will be are. His parents are decorating, isn't it? Decorating his room. Decorating. Okay, decorating. Okay, so I am erasing the upper part. So it is Sachin's birthday. His parents are decorating his room. Number 7, Mama dash dash a sweater for me. Mama dash dash a sweater for me. Mama, it will take is a sweater, so it will be knitting. Is knitting a sweater. Mama is knitting a sweater for me. Number 8, Mrs. Sharma dash dash the dishes. Mrs. Sharma, it will take is. is dash the dishes, it will be washing, isn't it? Washing the dishes. Number 9, the boys dash dash in the pool. So the boys, it will take are, and what we can see in the picture, boys are swimming. Boys are swimming, isn't it? Swimming. Boys are swimming in the pool. And number 10, Sanjay dash dash a kite. We can see Sanjay, it will take is, and dash a kite. We can see he is flying, isn't it? So Sanjay is flying a kite. Let's recall all of these once again. Number 1, the monkey is climbing up the tree. Number 2, Vicky is happy, he is smiling. Number 3, Pooja is playing the piano. Number 4, Tina, what are you doing? Amit, I am sharpening my pencil. Number 5, stars are twinkling. Okay, stars are twinkling in the sky. Number 6, it is Sachin's birthday. His parents are decorating his room. Number 7, Mama is knitting a sweater for me. Number 8, Mrs. Sharma is washing the dishes. Number 9, the boys are swimming in the pool. And number 10, Sanjay is flying a kite. Okay, so today I have done page number 52 and 53. And page number 54 I will do in your next class. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.